7. Yeah. And we are on the road this morning, peeps. Today is the last day of 2024 here in the Caribbean. You know, a lot of countries already seen 2025, the new year already. Big up my brother them in Africa, yeah. And other parts of the world. Happy New Year to you know. Yeah. So happy New Year to all my subscribers, them, viewers and you know, supporters and family. Big up on yourself. So hope the new year have a lot of good things to bring to you know. Good health and wealth. Yeah. Enough money and good health and live good. Yeah, so we're up on the road this morning. Going to finish up some work for 2024. Yeah, I won't be working again until 1 year time. 2025. Yeah. So anyway, it's good to be alive. As Shalom say. Every day above ground is a blessing. And I say, so it's a blessing to be alive. So if you're alive and you're watching this video, say hallelujah! Yeah! Yeah, so once you're alive and you watch a video, give thanks to the Most High. Yeah. Get me I say? As like He make you live. If you watch the video, yeah. Because 2024 was a rough year. But you did it. We did it. We all did it. You get me I say? So, big up on yourself. So as I said, we're up on the road this morning. I'm going to do some work. I go all the way to Savannah. It's like 2 minutes to 7. I should have reached by 7 o'clock. But if you look, the time kinda, I would say, chilly in the morning here. Yeah, so now the time I have waited till the sun come out a bit to start do my kind of work. Yeah. Otherwise the water will like, you know, hard to dry off the vehicle. Yeah. So the road kind of clean this morning because the early morning and I don't really work per man. Just some place open. Other place still not open back until, I mean, probably next week. Yeah. Or, you know, further down of the week. You know, tomorrow, New Year's Day, which is Wednesday, today is Tuesday. Yeah, but the road is clean. Practically clean, peeps. No traffic this morning. Normally we'd have little traffic on the road. The road clean. So let's see if we're gonna reach to go to Savannah. If the road are clean same way. Yeah. And it's 7 o'clock now. Or a minute to 7 rather. So it's almost 7. Yeah. So it's a good morning. So if it's the first time tuning into the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Holy Fire 777. Yes, so me I say, channel will get real down to earth, you know, day-to-day life of a Caribbean boy, a Jamaican Caribbean boy, you know? Yeah. Jamaican boy living in a Cayman Island, you know? Yeah. Show you everyday life. So hope the coming years, or coming year I should say, I will get some more interview and stuff like that, working on that also. And some, possibly some travel content, yeah. Not just about Cayman alone. I've been in Cayman for a while. Yeah. And you know Cayman are that big. Yeah, so ain't a lot to vlog about here. Yeah, ain't a lot to vlog about here, but you know, yeah, it is what it is. So hopefully we get some travel big videos in 2025. Yeah. Yes, please. As I say, I'm up on the road and the road clean. completely clean. Yeah, no traffic whatsoever, which is that is my style. No traffic. Yeah, when I go up on the road, see what I go on, do what I have to do, and then head back home. Yeah, and get some breakfast. Yeah, actually I bring something to eat. Sunday I went on the road and I didn't bring no water because I didn't go on the road to stay, but end up not going home until up in the evening hours. And I was so hungry, so I'm not do that again. Every time I'm going on the road, bring water and something to eat. Yeah, that is it, peeps. Yes, I reach El Thompson roundabout. As I'm sure I still roundabout here. If you want the channel, I still roundabout here. All the time. Yeah. But the road is just clean, peeps. Come around, driver. All up the road. Yes, peeps, the road is clean in the early morning. I love that still, you know. And if you watch the channel, you know I like traffic. I hate me some traffic. Yeah. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Yes, peeps, so that's no traffic. Normally it would be crazy amount of traffic coming down from Baddentown, Savannah and all that. But the road is clean. The road is clean. No traffic at the early morning. And it's not so early because it's at 7, so it's not so early. It ain't so early. You know the sun not come up good yet. Sun not just come up. By the time I reach Savannah, then the rain come up. The sun come up, I should say, not the rain. Yeah, landscapers them out already, so they come and work already. Landscaping company there. Yeah, normally there would be a lot of traffic here. But there ain't no traffic here. And school is not in session, so all that too. When school are keep, different thing. People are bring them kids to school and school bus. So road practically clean. Some people still have to head to work same way. Yeah. Some are we have so far not to work, some are we have to work same way. Some people have to work right through, no holiday for them. But that's how it is. Yeah. So big up on yourself. All the hard working people, all the hard working Jamaicans, yard and abroad. Yeah. Working to put food on your family table, you know. Make a better life for them. Big up on yourself. And families, so no family they abroad and I work. Yeah. Respect for them, enough respect for them. Enough respect them, show them appreciation. Cause it not pretty no. It not pretty at all. That is it. So me see sun up, so sun up people out, and I tell you say sun, I come and the sun look so beautiful rising in the early morning here. It is just beautiful. It is just beautiful, peeps today. Yeah. Like Bob Marley say, rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sit by my doorsteps, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. The singing, don't worry about a thing, so all who worry, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. You hear? I say don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about nothing at all. Once you have life, there is hope. You hear that? Once there's life, there's hope, peeps. And every day above ground is a blessing and a lesson. That is it. Yeah. So we're heading to Savannah now. And it's good to be alive and in the Caribbean. Woo! So if you don't subscribe yet, what are you waiting on? Subscribe! Yes, babes. Yeah. So I'm feeling nice in the morning here. Me feeling nice. Yeah. Say no, peeps. Say no. No people are going there. No, we are going there up all night tonight till daylight. I know if I was in Jamaica even tonight, I would be in waterfront, downtown Kingston in Jamaica. But we still go there waterfront today. In a Grand Cayman. Probably on the beach too in the night, you know? Yeah. See it there? Sunrise, you know? Sunrise. And the light in my eyes. And it's a good feeling. So when you see the sun rise, yeah, it's a good feeling. You can feel the healing. That is it. That is it, peeps. You have to give thanks. We gotta give thanks, yeah. And see it, peeps, as I say, no whole lot of traffic on the road. And we give thanks to that, especially. No whole heap of traffic on the road. And we are driving into the sunrise. Not into the sunset, but into the sunrise. Yeah. And so we are passing also then decorate, peeps. The yard then decorate. Yeah, night time then it show tarpaulin. Throw tarpaulin over the stuff then. Yeah. Yeah, and tonight then lift up it. By New Year, sometime by February, so we get on February for them them finish pack up back everything because it take a lot of time. So yes, peeps, we're heading into Savannah. Into the Savannas. Well, it's not the Savannas, it's the Savannah. As I look at Cayman, you see Wallipa development, peeps. Everywhere you go, you see new building I put up, new road. So you know, say, like a new scheme, like, you know, Wallipa house I make continually. As the rest of them would say, itinerally. Yes, but you know, this is so beautiful. Just like how the sunset beautiful, the sunrise is even more beautiful. Yeah. The sun rise up in the morning, yeah. It is beautiful! You! Yes, babes. It is beautiful. So beautiful. And the morning is so cool, peeps. The morning is so cool. Some people don't say cool, but it is cool. It's not cool. It is cool. You know, I have my sleeves and things, so you know, I don't feel cold, just feel cool. It is nice. Yes. But you know, if you put my van back, you don't feel cold. Ah, boy. But it's nice, babes. It's nice. normally then time crazy traffic would have go down. But I just see traffic flowing freely. So freely. Yeah. It's unbelievable. So it's almost 7:15. I'm saying I can reach by 7:15. And see what time I get to go down back into town. Yeah. Yes, P. So we're at Savannah now. We are in Savannah, straight from West Bay to Savannah. Yeah, and look at the sky. Sun coming up. Give the sky that beautiful look. So beautiful. So beautiful. Beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Peeps. So very, 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 very beautiful. So beautiful. Yes, peeps, we're in a Savannah now. Public bus stop, a lot of people and pick up people. So with the countryside. This is countryside. It is called countryside, peeps. And as I said, the time is chilly. Not chilly, cool, I should say. So we're heading round here. Without no fear. We're heading round here. And there's a peeps, crazy amount of moringa trees. For moringa tree, there's a peep. Those are all moringa trees. Crazy amount of moringa trees. All about in a Cayman. And now you can get moringa. And this is a nice community also. Quiet in the morning, peeps. If a pin drop, you can't hear. I hear them say that, well, that is true. If a pin drop, you can't hear. So new peeps, stick and stay, and don't go now. On fire, hold the fire. So yes, peeps, finished that job. Yeah. So now I pass some moringa tree. I'm not at home. So I'm gonna take my medication. I'm gonna get some moringa leaf. If I can get the seed, I get the moringa leaf, peeps. See? This is moringa tree, peeps. We'll eat. All of this a moringa tree go all the way up. So you pick some. Yeah. Pick some and nobody couldn't reach. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So I pick some. So now I go eat the leaf and drink water. And that is like my vitamin, peeps. So supermarket over there. So this is Faster Savannah. So I'm going to the supermarket and get a bottle of water. I have water, but almost finished already because it's so small bottle I carry. Yes, I'm gonna get myself a 1 liter bottle of water. and head on into town. So yes peeps, this is Foster Savannah. I've got waterfalls also. Yeah, this is bigger. That parking lot big. Extremely big. So I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna park right here peeps and get myself a bottle of water and take my medication. Just stick and stay, don't go nowhere peeps. And as I say, when you're in a Cayman, you don't have to even close your car. I'm not saying everybody should do it, but I do it. But it is quite safe. Yeah, so you can leave all your window down and a key in the ignition or whatever, see me. Nobody will steal a vehicle. Yeah, I don't say it won't happen. You get me I say? But very unlikely it would happen. Yeah, so anyway, stick on. So yes peeps, I got me some water and I got me some peanut porridge. Yeah, I get something hot in my stomach. Start the day off right. Yeah. So let me get my water so I can take my medication. Yeah, I get a Catherine Peak water, but then I have the water almost done already. And the morning so early peeps. When you work, okay man, make you drink enough water. So this is my vitamin peeps. This is my vitamin. Yeah, you can eat the seed or the leaf. You eat the seed or the leaf. And people might say, oh, you not even wash it. Tell us something. You see this meringue? Nothing at all, no insect at all don't eat the leaf. Yeah, they don't eat the leaf. People might say chop this and say you're crazy. But trust me, it is good for you. You can cook it. The leaf tastes like a seed. And you can't take an overdose because it don't taste so nice. But what it does, it gives you energy. Ugh. To the peeps, it tastes so nice, man, tell you. But it's good for you. Yeah. The water kind of wash it out of your mouth. Taste it to your mouth. Yeah. But you not completely wash it out. Anyway peeps, stick and stay. I'm drinking a porridge and then I'll be on my way into town. So yes peeps, we're on our way now to Holiday Inn, passing the golf course. Passing the golf course, heading to Holiday Inn peeps. You know, Holiday Hotel just like in Jamaica. So we're heading over there now. Whoa. And this is way off the road, off the main road, very far off the main road. So this is how we're taking out the new year peeps, completing some work, yeah, for the whole year going into the new year. So as I say, happy new year when it comes to all of you. No love and prosperity. So yeah, this is a golf course. This is the only golf course in Cayman Island. Very big one. It's huge, going all over to Crystal Harbour. Yeah. And the golf club there. Straight around, straight in front of us. We're gonna pass it. We're gonna pass the golf course. The golf club. So this is the golf course. One day, hope one day I get to play some golf too. So something I'm always interested in, you know. Get to know it going, how to play. Yeah. And I want to know why everywhere I have golf course, you always have some water there and all of that like them. So even when I see it, you know, in America and stuff like that, and Florida, and so always they near some place of water there like this. Yeah. Why? Why is it you always in a place like this? Golf course always situated in places like this. Yeah. Yes, peeps, so you know, a lot of people over here, so too. Money people. Whew. Yeah. Enough of them boats that carry out tourists like red seals and stuff. Yeah. Night time is to come over here so we can catch fish too. No people do fishing over here, so night time. So this is the golf club. I haven't been over there in a long time. Yeah, I used to go over here, but I haven't been here in a long time. Long time. Nobody not call me over here. Sometimes people then fly out. So this is the golf club. And see, even parking lot you have gold member and all of them there. Yeah. You see peeps, our golf club big, course big. And that is Holiday Inn. This is the sea right behind Holiday Inn. Yeah, the sea is right behind there. Just beautiful to see. Just flat with the land. Just line up with the land. Yeah, so this time of year, raise the amount of tourists coming. This is the winter tourist season. Winter tourist season, please. Yeah. You see peeps? I'm going across with their golf cart. Going across with their golf carts. Yeah. That must be fun, not true? This must be fun. Yo, the whole heap of sleeping police over here, as we call them peeps. It's speed bump, but we say sleeping police. In Jamaica we call them sleeping police. And in Jamaica we use words different, talking about this place, speed bump. What me say? We say sleeping police. Landscape for them to do them thing too. Yeah. So we'll go through the gate and then we'll go right. So to the left you have Crystal Harbour. You have another big gate there, so need it over there, so it's a gated community. These take you to Holiday Inn. See that one make up more big building over here. Don't know what them. It's almost look like another hotel. Don't know what it is. But even them house here recently built over here. Yeah, so the house here so recently built. Yeah. Nice house. I met more here, so too. Oh. This is Holiday Inn, the Grand Cayman Holiday Inn Resort. Yes, that is the tips. So let's go in a Holiday Inn Resort. We used to drive up, I said before, but them cut the road here, so now put the road right here, so reach quicker. Yeah, there, so we used to drive first. But no, we drive here. Steep, so stick and stay peeps, and don't go nowhere. So if we can do the job there quick and fast and leave. That is it. On fire. Holy fire! So yes peeps, it's the end of the day. Not really the end of the day, because like after 3. Yeah. And I reach home early this evening. Yeah. So it's my last time working for 2024. So next time we're going back to work, it will be 2025. Oh Lord. Oh God, so okay. Yes peeps, so I'm not going back to work until 2025. So I'm gonna reach home. Yeah. And if it's the first time tuning into the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. It's the boy Wolfire 777, the Jamaican boy in a Grand Cayman. Yes peeps. So good, we live out 2024 and we are going to 2025. So tonight I'm planning on touching the street of Grand Cayman, because the street I go lively. If you know lively from what day, no it I go lively tonight, because everybody I go ring in the new year. Yeah, with them family and them friends, and crazy fireworks all about on the beach, everywhere tonight. So you know it's gonna be crazy little later. So you know I have to bring that to you and show you how I go on in a Grand Cayman. Yeah, it's gonna be lit. But you know Jamaica go more lit, cause you don't know. Street boy, cartel showing him again. Freedom Street. Freedom Street I go turn up, you know. Everybody I there so. Yeah well. And waterfront downtown, you know, say normally if I was in Jamaica I will be in waterfront downtown tonight, you know. Been going there for quite a while now, so definitely, yeah. I'm gonna miss that kind of partying there, or not partying, but that kind of event. I know it's very nice. I know Jamaica is a place. But anyhow, I came on with this, so we have to make the best of it. You see what I say, peeps? So I'm just take up the bird for the last time, 2024. Yeah. And show no one go on in a Grand Cayman. Yeah. Eh? Fly more fly out. One go Jamaica, one go cartel show, and one if you can carry me. If you say can carry me?
Yeah, I know you can carry. I don't know if you can lift you. But I know you can carry.
Yeah man, I wanna go a cartel show. Yeah. Yeah. So you see what they far from the top of the car. Open the tripod. So we take it now from the top of the car. From the top of the car. My neighbor them already play music.
Take off. Home point updated.
Yeah, home point updated. Let's take it all the way. All the way, peeps. And action.
The iPhone from your phone connect.
Eh?
To the
It come with the own screen.
okay. When you put you on and they look up in the look.
Look up why. Since them already done now.
Yeah, one June.
From where they move and go over there, so them I make up a new apartment. Where again? Down there so.
What that the range sorry?
Down there so. This? Then say 6 miles? Is it nice then say?
6 miles, but when they come out again, he'll tell you.
Yeah man. It come like a phone and you see all the thing, yeah?
You can't see no gun.
You can have a look on this to see it. Yeah, see it. Okay, so some of the apartment here. Then I lay in a block over there, you know?
Everything that prefabricated,
yeah.
drop and assemble and show cement in it.
Oh, that's what they must start doing nowadays.
Fast.
But they might go more than like 2 stories with them though. Or they
Not
not,
2 stories in going on.
they're not going no more than that.
Yeah, they know we coming.
Oh.
In the cement panel.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Somebody lick down this a bit. Put black on
yeah, when lick down one time already and then yeah, black up it. So yes, peeps, this is new apartment. The construction are going on Cayman like crazy. So no block then I put up here, so and I use no block on this. Yeah. So soon. So all them bush over here, so then soon lick down too. Cut down. So first one also one house over here, so. Yeah, one house there, so. Okay. Oh. It's a new gas station over here, so. It's a new gas station over here, so peeps. When yo, let's turn around. Turn around. So Cayman pretty peeps.
You know what I want you to do? I want you video, you want short video and tell you what we're gonna do the update.
Yeah, shot. Jack?
Up Power Drive.
Shot?
Power Drive when you went Papagal.
Oh, okay.
I got about 4 friends for me doing it back home.
Eh?
I got about 4 of them one friend and do for me about 5 minutes, 3
Yeah,
minutes
yeah.
in the room.
No man, interior.
Yes, man, them boy like it.
Yeah man, you let me know man.
Yes, babes. I find a missed call from you.
Girl, it's man. I say yes, babes.
Well, you know where I am, right?
Yeah, babes.
Stop it now.
This is where I turn in to come into my road. Yeah, right there. That's Mount Pleasant Road. Right there. Coming. That's Mount Pleasant. Oh, I'm a fisherman gone out. I'm a fisherman there. I can't say my fisherman that with the boat. Yeah, that's my fisherman peeps. Yeah, my fisherman there. In here. Yeah, with the boat on the back. That's my fisherman. I get about nearly 4.5 pounds of fish on him yesterday. Fisherman say mostly lobster I catch cause yeah. So I guess he's going fishing now. Me fisherman going fishing. Yeah, see the fisherman going fishing. Let's see which side he go. If I win a West Bay. Yeah. Okay. I'll go down to Papagala. You know peeps, let's take the drone back home. Stick and stay, don't go nowhere. Beautiful Cayman. Pretty don't. Beautiful Cayman Island. So, this is semi-can. I'm right the drone without. Oh. No, see my apartment here peeps. So I can't find out my apartment. I carry drone low. It's too high. It's too high, let's take it low. Let's take it low. No, that's one camera dependent man.
Where the underneath it?
Not the front.
Not the front?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, the one in my building got now, so about this size.
Yeah, I know that one.
And he got 4 cameras.
Okay.
And he neat.
Here?
No, back home.
Oh.
Neat. Yo, the video name neat man.
DJ.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, DJ.
I see the police think this one matter.
Yeah.
See them here?
Yeah.
Yeah, Johnny man. Them don't got a handle. 2 man have to lift you up and take
Yeah, I know one here talk. See them have one here. But you know they use it though? Spray wall, a wash wall. That me see them use it. You can hold on it. They use a wash wall on a regatta.
hear my foot.
Yeah. So yes, peeps, now we are going to check in Steve, see if I got install AC. Yeah, we're going to want Steve install the AC. So everything I do for this, I last work the seat for a year.
Last work for a year, man.
Yeah, so next time I work at 2025.
You want to take one whole year vacation, now when I work in the seat. I'm back home tomorrow whenever the seat.
Yeah.
Why Chris you in the master, I'm going to hold you in the seat for the last year in the seat.
Yes.
One whole year in the seat.
So Jamaican state man.
Now put it on the inside, alright?
Let's go closer to them, please. Let's go closer. Yeah, we go closer. So, my install AC. A little bit. Cayman is very hot, so AC is very, very important. Okay, I'm zooming, I'm zoom out, yeah. ACs are very important, so every room has to have AC. Every room has to have AC. See? So upstairs, that's 3 rooms upstairs, there's something 3 on the other side. See? There's 3 there. And 1 down here. One way there. One right there. And my room right here. My room? Yeah. Yeah, so 2 bathrooms almost in one. Materialize. So this is, people look on this. This is 2 separate bathrooms and a bathroom like this. 2 separate bathrooms. One right there so. And one right there so. This is my bathroom. And this is my room there, so. Yeah. And Steve upstairs also. Steve upstairs. Now fly the sea today. One thing that drone please have, it can fly because the drone here have no obstacle avoidance. Yeah, crash, it does a crash. Nothing you can do. So I guess my put in an AC the different because you never need other. So you need all of that, you never need all of that with the other one them.
I'm a good man.
Eh?
You're bad.
You never need that with the rest of them. You never need that with the rest of them.
What that? Yeah, you see right now, the rest of them I find in. But that's the way how I put them in, you know.
Oh.
I take out the 2 this. As if in case you want to put them back in, I so you can put it back in.
Okay.
And the man don't do that, the man just.
Okay. Actually look like one shop though. Like I counter that. Look like one little shop. And little shop there you have a yard. Like a Jamaican and like a corner store that you. Like a corner store. It's a serve. I don't look like a Steve in a shop. Eh? Yeah, I'm a pound of rice. And give me 2 pounds of flour and 3 pounds of sugar. Big July aisle.
I know.
And 2.5 chicken back.
One of them get, I want to get.
Uh,
I got the 4 years on the phone. 2 years, I want to drop it for you.
yeah man, you never cut off. Yes, keep. And so with back on my backyard, peeps, look at the backyard, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. This is my backyard. So people live upstairs, this is the view that they have.
If it's a stick out, Steve.
But all when I'm going to bathroom, they have this view. Then bathroom is towards the lake. Peeps, look at that beauty. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wake up in the morning, something like that. Only in the Caribbean. Only in the Caribbean. Battery almost dead. Mr. my percent left. Oh, 34% left. So them stinging peeps, these they normally put up it. I said now when they call us something again. Lightning rod.
Which are body?
This.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lightning rod. So when lightning strike it, and strike the house. It's very tall. They normally put them on the house. Then time used to believe say something like satellite, you know. Like it look like satellite piece on it. Then copper it. Look like satellite. It look like satellite.
You got him, Steve?
See it?
Alright.
Look like satellite, what they call in a lightning rod.
Cut him out.
So it's on the floor, on the ground, straight up, so it's very taller than the house. And the apartment itself. Very tall. Tall again. Yeah. Very tall people. Breeze a blow hard, man. Yo.
Breeze a blow strong?
Yeah man, the breeze a blow strong. Christmas breeze. So people are excited over the holiday the other day. And so you don't know.
One more day to go. One more night.
Yeah.
One more day. One more night.
Yeah, and it's done.
And it's done.
Yeah. I know for them broke for January, you know.
Yeah.
The keeps the lightning rod long. It's very, very, very tall upon it. It's a ground. It's a ground. It's straight. Look how tall it is. So that lightning rod. It's a lightning rod piece. Yeah. That's all the people. It's very, 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 very tall. Almost 2 times the apartment. Almost 2 times the apartment, yes. So this is where we are.
Let him know, buddy.
Eh?
Alright.
Yes, peeps to put in the AC now. Yeah, look pretty nice. So what them do it? Look different from what them do them. Yeah, the rest of them. Look how them do them on here. Low battery. Oh, battery are dead peeps. Let me take it down. Battery down.
Center right there. Center right there.
Yeah, man, I wanna look distant. Where's the restaurant do inside now?
Yeah, just screw him up, put on the insulation,
Yeah.
and seal it for the year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you put leather and draw leather and put leather on the head and put leather
No,
on
so, oh, okay. So what you not cut out?
Hmm?
What that not cut out?
Wow.
Like that? You have to cut out the back?
This one, no?
Mm-hmm.
I see right there.
So,
I normally put one support on it for the air condition make it. You see that plug?
no, I mean the thing that will protect your window. Shutter light.
Okay, yeah,
Why not
that
cut out?
have to cut out.
Oh.
When you get that in there.
Okay.
If when you have it, you come now with the screw off this,
Mm-hmm.
measure,
Oh,
and cut out the hole.
Oh.
Like this, that way.
Yeah.
You got Jack number? Send that to Jack.
Hmm? Send it to Jack?
Send that to Jack and tell him to send it to me.
Okay.
See?
Yeah. Okay, I will do just that, sir.
Yeah, one of these days, I'll call you. Well, boy. Me never know nothing about my tell the other day, you know. I have a good friend that you know me.
Yeah.
I used to sit down and call him already. And I used to tell him something that your man like to be a man.
Yeah. Well, look here. What is this? A filter? A septic? Do you want to cover up?
You want to mash up and build over? How you want?
Because actually, that is to say, probably can drop in here.
That's why I brought there. I take Japan there. They know what you can. If anybody walks on this and get me, you won't be that problem.
Yeah. Do you want some money, Steve? Steve, I tell Steve walking and septic people because I breakaway. One fix. Steve love insurance money, you know.
Steve, one good thing with your mask, I know that you have to get the damage.
Yeah. Steve, tough man. So yes, peeps. Whatever we're doing it for last of 2024. Yeah. So yes, peeps. Thank you all for watching and liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. You get me I say? Yes, tell a friend about the boy All Fire 777. Yes, I need over there so cheaper washer. My neighbor over there so wash her car so if it was that now watch good, you know. Watch her. Anyway, peeps, until next video, big up on yourself, one fire, all fire. Love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. Peace out.
You're all I need. Can you love me?